What's up, guys? This is
RandR.
It's the man Dexter.
It's a man Cole. And I'm about to react to this good old Mulan, the live action trailer. It's gonna be interesting, so let's get it started.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you right now, if my boy the dragon is not Eddie Murphy, I'm gonna be upset.
Me too.
Let's go.
I actually watched it.
Oh, the anime?
Yes, sir. Actually, I watched the anime.
We have excellent news. The matchmakers found you an auspicious match.
Her face
It
changed.
is decided. Come and sit down. It is what is best for our family.
Yes, I will bring honor to us all. Quiet, composed, graceful, disciplined. These are the qualities you see in a good man. These are the qualities you see in Mulan. It is my duty to fight him.
Bro, I'm freaking mad. The dragon wasn't in it.
I'm disappointed the dragon wasn't in it, but the reason why I'm not too mad because I do like the action that I am seeing. So I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. But I will say this, if the dragon is not in it, period, because you gotta understand it is a trailer. So if the dragon, like if they drop a second trailer and then I don't see no dragon, I don't even know if I'm really gonna watch it. Like I might watch it, I just highly doubt I'm gonna watch it anytime soon, put it like that. And if the dragon's in it, but it's not Eddie Murphy, I'm gonna be upset. I'm sorry.
It's some random dude.
That's like having Lion King without the Mufasa voice, with Earl Jones, without having him in it. That's basically like the same concept if you ask me. So they gotta give him up Eddie Murphy, man.
Simba?
I don't know if you did. Have you seen Forbidden Kingdom?
What?
You haven't seen it. When you gotta do that, you ain't seen it. But basically, that girl, she's in that movie. So I do like that they picked her to play Mulan. It's just my dragon.
She was in the anime.
I named my dragon.
It's not funny or cool. Well, let me get this straight. It's alright.
I'm saying,
Without
from
the
what I'm
dragon.
saying,
Without
I'm
the
saying
dragon.
based on what I'm seeing, it looks okay. Like, but like I
Without
need.
the dragon,
It's a trailer, so but they gotta have my dragon, man.
But if it's the trailer, it should show like most of the characters.
Honestly, a trailer really supposed to just show you little bits and pieces of a movie. But a trailer shouldn't tell you a plot. Like if I know your whole story, I mean it's Mulan, we kind of know the story. But I'm saying like if it's a new story or new plot. If I watch your trailer and I know how your whole movie gonna turn out, at least from the backbone of it, I don't like that. So I do like that they didn't show the dragon. I mean, how can I say it? I guess they don't want to show the dragon yet if he's in it, but if the dragon not in the movie at all, I'm gonna be so disappointed.
What if, you know, in Endgame, they had Marvel? What if they had DC?
That threw me off completely.
Instead of Marvel, they had DC.
Yeah, man, I like y'all.
Y'all like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you liked it, or comment down what reactions you want us to do. Other than that, 4D.
And that's real to believe in. So dear Captain America, when the real guy drops his hammer, your shield will be no defense. And iron sharpens iron, so it's irony to me to see that only the blood of the Son of Man can now sustain what iron can't. So much for Iron Man, don't let that stop your marvel. Worship's up in our arsenal, steady fire till Zion lands.